Alright, we got the big dog on. I'm guessing it's a big fish if he's reeling it
in. That's right.
He doesn't get out of bed for anything less than 25 inches.
I need them sandwiches.
Got any shoulders on him? He's not bad. Not bad at all. Box of cream sticks is coming on your right with the net. All right.
Good job, Jay. Next time, just throw it in a little bit more.
All right.
You don't have to stretch so high.
How are we feeling? Shoulders?
Pretty meaty.
Shoulder, we got fish on?
Real steady pull. Real steady pull on this guy.
Jay, you want to come to my...
Oh, it's a big fish, guys.
Oh, that's a big one.
It was a big bob.
Yeah, it's a big bob fish.
Get him over this way if you can.
Nice. Nice. There's a bob.
Yep. Sandwiches.
Bob, you're catching so many big fish, you might actually start watching our channel.
Coming out to you.
Damn.
He is angry.
That boy's heavy too.
Heck yeah. Nice. That's a 6-7 pounder all day.
You want to drop that in for me, Rick?
Sure.
I don't want to trip on that pole.
Yeah, I got nothing else to do.
You sound like management.
That's right. I told you I'm management. I'm not labor on this boat.
That's the 4 miles I drove through it. I don't know where it's going.
Keep
Nice one.
Yeah, out here, this is Jay's territory. It's the opposite. So, you know, if someone's going to get in the big fish, someone's going to get the little one. Jay's going to get the big one.
He's on there.
Back there it went 70 feet. Now it's 30 feet. So that's a lot of erosion. You can see runs down the hill. You get a hard rain. Now it's probably perfect. You get a hard rain. Runs back there.
Keeper, baby. Keeper.
Oh, yeah.
I told you he was on there.
Years ago, we got called down to Poland.
Come to Papa.
Lake Erie Gold.
That's what it is. Look at that hog. Another beast. Jeez.
Oh, yeah. Box him. Yeah, talk to us, Bob. What do you got?
Yeah, he's got a fish on there.
There we go.
Got deep color. Hold that way if you can. He might be good.
He's a keeper. He'll keep.
Brandy's getting hard up. Yeah, he's a keeper. We're keeping him.
Yeah, he's 17, 18 all day.
Yeah.
Like I said, he's a fine fish, just not for Bob.
I bet he's 20.
Yeah, a little small for him.
You can't catch a trophy every time, Bob.
That's what I'm hearing.
Sometimes you got to catch an average fish.
He's offended by that average fish report.
Yeah. Well, he doesn't have much time left to be pissed about it. Gotcha.
I think 1 and 3 have one on over there. Yeah.
Got any weight to him, Tom?
Yep.
All right.
He moved.
Hey, you're dragging him in, Tom. Dragging him in.
As soon as I said it.
No,
Jay.
Oh. Nice one.
Yes.
Oh, nice fish.
Yeah.
Should we keep him?
Wow. Let him go. Let him go.
Yeah, this will get off. Rod holder. Oh, okay. That way they won't flop around and get hung up on everything.
He's trying to get back in the water.
Feels like a good one here.
Alright.
The last one that felt this big is because I was crossed on 4 lines, but I don't think I'm crossed on any, so we might got something here.
Alright.
Bugs are biting me.
Yeah.
I'm reeling.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
You manned up today.
Yeah.
He's nursing a back injury.
Got bugs flying up my nose.
And
I might need a bad evac, but that's okay.
right.
Got a head shake.
Okay. Definitely sounds like a walleye, not a catfish, which is Rick's nickname.
We have not caught any other species besides walleye today. I hope I didn't just jinx it.
Oh yeah, way to go. Kind of water skiing them now.
Yeah. As soon as I got the dipsy out of the water, he got a lot lighter.
That makes it easier to reel.
Yeah. Long, he's long. Not as fast as some of them, but that's a long fish. A little spoon wrecker right there.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Huh?
27?
I don't know.
Pulling walleye. Lake Erie, Sweet Dreams Fishing Charters. Find them on Facebook. Get your butt out here.
Downrigger fish, our favorite. Nice and close.
You got a red dot there?
Huh? Look at that. Another shorty.
A little bit bigger.
Yeah, your dipsy didn't trim.
It's not gonna fish on here after rolling in a dipsy.
Reeling in that piece of wood.
Caught the flavor for it.
I've probably done that.
Jet 50s, small spoons.
Big fish, small spoons?
Big fish, small spoons. Michigan stinger, contender.
Just tell me. Alright, I see something right there. He's not even that big. Man,
All that for that?
all that for that. You got something on here? Something worth writing home about?
Yeah. I think it's going to be maybe a little bit bigger than the one you just got.
Oh, keep.
Yep.
Mine got smaller the longer I reeled it in. There he is. Water skiing in here. Oh yeah. Heck yeah.
Told you it was bigger than yours.
I believed you. That's not hard. What, mine wasn't hard to beat. All right, Randy.
Thank you. Give me
Good job, Jay.
another picture of that.
Oh yeah, look at those long arms. Stretch her out. Oh man, that's a 15-pounder stretching those arms out so long. Bob, is this one worth keeping, or are you going to lose it at the boat on purpose again?
I think it's going to be good.
All right, good.
Get off there, boy.
Anything under 3 pounds, he just doesn't want to mess with.
That's a fish, man. It's a fish.
I didn't even know, Renee.
It's a fish, guys.
Oh yeah. This fish needs netted. Hello.
Hey.
Except maybe him. But
Hello. Double netter.
he's a keeper.
Double up.
They're just like us, easier with me on.
Straight down on
Did you ever see that video on the internet? 2 fish, 1 net?
Put her up.
All right, we're looking at the backs of the heads of 2 of the brightest minds at fishing. Maybe not. We got.
He won't edit that with all the
Oh
laughing
my
and
gosh.
Brightest line.
Yeah, that's why we went for the back of the head. You don't want to see the front, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Catch of the day for Rick.
I've gotten a couple bigger than that today. But it's a nice one.
I think so, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Boy, would he look good with a mustard sauce. Mm-hmm.
Who's up?
Yes, sir.
We got a pair swinging.
Well, now we got fish on while reeling in the rods.
Oh, she goes.
The bite picked up so much that even trying to quit fishing, we're catching fish.
Timing's everything, yeah.
Yeah. Sun's out, lake's calm. Tommy Joe's got a fish.
Sun's out, guns out if you wanted it.
Sun's out, buns out, it'll cost you extra.
Reeled in. I know. Finishing out the day with our last couple fish.
Finishing out the day with our last couple fish here with Jay and Tom. Oh, look at that, she's a beaut.
You have to edit the edit, man? What's up with that?
This might be the biggest.
She's a beaut, Clark.
Oh, yeah, this is the biggest.
I still got it to end it on a high note.
Yeah, it's a hog.
This is
Oh,
the biggest.
geez.
Biggest
Oh,
of the day.
shit, yeah.
We are the champions.
Where's that shit? Oh!
Yeah.
That's a hog.
I told you guys, make sure I get the last big one. It's a good luck charm at this one.
Oh, we'll see, Jay. Jay knows. I got a big puppy. No, I
waited. I was like,
help you with that.
I get this one.
You pick that up? Oh. Heck yeah.
Randy says, I'll get this one. Look at that.
Nice. Beautiful
Nice.
Lake Erie Walleye. Yeah.
Heck yeah, man.
That's huge. Sweet Dreams Fishing Charter.
Love you.
That's how you get fish herpes.
Man.
Ready to close her out, fellas.
I'm going to show you how that's done, Tom.
It's a big one.
Right.
Jeez. Think we need just one more after this one? It's done. We're good.
It is fun when you're reeling in the gears and fish on the end of all of it. It makes it a little more fun reeling it in.
I think it might be one on this.
How's that dipsy feel reeling in?
Yeah. Felt like I popped it. There's a fish on here.
Oh yeah, there is.
One.
Tom's still working on his over there.
I'm reeling in B-rolls fish.
That's a keeper. Yeah, we'll have to throw that one back.
Yep. It's a lucky day.
Oh yeah.
Here she comes. Oh, shark out there. Look at him throwing his fins out. Yeah. I should make sure.
You get money's worth, Tom.
Yes, he did. That's a good one.
Nice fishes. Yeah.
Clear to step back, buddy. Step back, Tom.
Hang on. Come on. Nope. He got around the damn
You got him.
downrigger ball.
Nice one.
We'll still getting you.
Yeah.
Still hammering you and it's not even connected.
Epic day on the water. We got our limit. Sweet Dreams Fishing Charters in Erie, Ohio. If you're up this way, check them out. We've been fishing together, what now? How many years?
Oh, it's got to be about 6-7 years.
6-7 years. Pulling limits every time. It's a fun day on the water. Come out, look it. Don't be afraid. Take some Dramamine, suck it up, and get out
Buttercup.
here. Suck it up, Buttercup.
Yeah.
But, yeah, delicious walleye, big sandwiches. Check this guy out on Facebook. We'll put a link in the description. And
I'll put the link right here, right now on the video too.
Yeah, and it's going to be awesome. We're going to have a big fish fry, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we run salmon.
Salmon.
April and May, we run salmon up out of all continents in New York. June through September, October, we're here in Geneva, Ohio. After that, you'll find us in a tree somewhere.
And look at this.
Awesome.
Get
Beautiful
the
lake,
view too.
great fishing.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Awesome,
Join
man.
us.
And a round of applause for the first mate, Randy. Thank you so much.